Okay, I'm going to show you another use for the additional axes that you can install on your Hydra machine. We're going to use a diode laser to do some laser marking on a cylindrical object, which you can see here is loaded into our fifth axis, and we have our diode laser loaded right there. And this is a ultraviolet marking or ultraviolet curing pin, and it was not marked with the wavelength of the light that it emits, so we are going to mark it so the customer knows what wavelength it is.